Dear students, now we are going to start another photosynthetic or autotrophic group of kingdom Protista. This is the Dinoflagellates. In previous lecture, we have also discussed about the chrysophytes, which is also the photosynthetic or autotrophic group of this kingdom Protista. We all know that the kingdom Protista is having the unicellular and eukaryotic forms. Okay, so let's start the features of the dinoflagellates and have some comparison with that of chrysophytes. How these organisms are different from that of members of chrysophytes. So first point is that dinoflagellates, they are mostly marine forms, means the fresh water forms are rarely reported, so they are considered mainly as marine in nature. They are again going to share the features which are common with that of plants, like they have a number of pigments, xanthophylls and carotenoids that give them the specific red, orange, yellow color, and also they have chlorophyll A and chlorophyll C, but they are lacking chlorophyll B as that of that is present in case of the plants. Plants don't have the C pigment, they have B pigment, but they are having chlorophyll A and C. Okay, they are also known as the phytoplanktons, as we have studied in the cryophytes also. Phytoplanktons are those photosynthetic organisms which are freely floating over the surface of water. They passively move with the help of water currents. Okay, and they are also known as the major producers because they are performing the photosynthetic activity. They are going to produce the biomass for all the heterotrophic organisms present in the marine body, marine aquatic body. Now, the unique features in these dinoflagellates are that their cell is having the cellulosic cell wall. You can see that this is the cellulosic wall, and this cellulosic wall has been placed in the form of plates. There are two halves of this cell wall. You can see that there is a groove in between. Groove means there is a space between two halves of the cell wall, and in this groove you can see that there are two flagella. Two flagella are emerging. They are dinoflagellates because of presence of these flagella. So one flagella is the transverse, see the position, and another flagellum is longitudinal. Okay, and this flagellum, flagellum is having a specific or unique feature related to their movement. They are spinning type of flagella, or you can say that they are also called as the whirling whips. Whirling whips means they are going to spin like this. Whirling whips. The cell wall is cellulosic in nature, as this feature is same in case of cryophytes. We have also studied that wall is cellulosic, and the plants have also cellulosic cell wall. And the reproduction is mostly asexual in nature, means the sexual mode is rare in them. They mostly reproduce with the help of asexual reproduction. So these are the some features which are associated with this dinoflagellates. Now, very important term which is covered in this group is red tide. There is a genus Gonalax, means there is a type of dinoflagellate known to be Gonalax. This Gonalax, when multiplies, when it will get the sufficient nutrition, optimum condition in the marine water, it will start its multiplication, and it will multiply in such a large number that the color of water will appear to be red in nature. It is red colored. It has the dominating red colored pigment, but because of its rapid multiplication, the whole surface of water, because there are phytoplanktons also, they are going to float over the surface of water. So this gonalax will give a red color to the sea. But because of its rapid multiplication, there is harm to the ecosystem, marine ecosystem. Let's explain how. This gonalax is going to secrete some toxins from its body, and because of release of these toxins, the number of organisms which are in the ecosystem, marine ecosystem, they will suffer a lot. They will die because of presence of the chemicals or the toxins which are released by this gonalax. Okay, so red tide is a phenomena when there is rapid multiplication of the dinoflagellate gonalax, and because of this red tide there is disturbance in marine ecosystem. Okay, so these were some of the features, unique features which are associated or which are assigned to the dinoflagellates, and I hope this is clear to you.